So today we are looking at next season's hunting equipment. Got the 300 Blackout. I got a suppressor coming for this and for the Glock. I'm gonna be doing a pistol conversion. Get a pistol brace, a short barrel, and put the suppressor back in this inside the handguard. And then I'll be getting a threaded barrel for the Glock 20 10mm. I plan to do a red dot of some sort, but in the meantime I'm going to get some silencer height iron sights, and then the good old 357 you guys have already seen. So I'm about to shoot some watermelons and see how they do. All right guys, Glock 10mm, 10 yards, small watermelon. With the 10mm, if you get anywhere inside this puppy, fully blown up, pieces everywhere. Pieces flying through the air. It's pretty sweet. Definitely like that gun. All right guys, 357 Magnum versus little watermelon. So the 357, I didn't hit it very central, but it was a little bit up, but it just ran through like a train. Huge track all the way through. All right, we're gonna do take two with the 357 Magnum, but instead of using a flat tip, I'm gonna use a Hornady XTP hollow point 125 grain bullet. All right guys, 300 Blackout, 60 yards on a little watermelon. So the 300 Blackout at 60 yards just went straight through it. Small exit right there. All right guys, so final review on the Glock 20 10mm. I like it. It's pretty strong. It's got some really good oomph. Those hollow points were really messing up the watermelons pretty badly. Only thing is my aim with this isn't as great as I thought I would be. I just got it, so it's gonna take a little bit of time, but when compared to my 357, I felt that when I pulled that one out of the box and started shooting, it took only a few shots and I was shooting 70 yards free-handed, whereas with this, I was getting out to like 30-ish, and it was still a little tough. You know, the Glock sights, stock sights are pretty decent, but they're pretty fat, so it's kind of hard to get a good sight picture when you're out at distance, but overall it's pretty sweet. I'm excited to hunt with it. I think the first victim is going to be a pig. All right guys, thanks for watching.